First question is, does FECO kill cancer?
Okay, so does FECO kill cancer? That's a really good question. And there's a lot of like chatter around the internet these past the past couple of years where they say that THC kills the cancer and that CBD like stops the growth of the tumors or the spread of the cancer, and it sort of like just like compartmentalizes it, and then the THC on the back end kills it, and that's how you get better. And that to me, it just sort of I saw it pop up on the internet, and I don't think that's really the case, where it just attacks it like that. I've seen in a couple of like studies where they actually said that THC that does have the capability of killing cancer cells, but a lot of those clinical studies are incorrect a lot of times, and I just don't believe it. What I know to be true is that cannabinoids, are an essential nutrient for humans and animals that have a spine. Any mammal that has a spine has a cannabinoid system that needs to be fed with cannabinoids in order for it to operate at the most optimal levels, and that means being able to fight off things like cancer and other diseases. We're always bombarded with things that can cause those diseases, but our immune system and other systems in our bodies should be able to fight them off. But we don't have the proper nutrition inside of us, meaning we don't have the cannabinoids inside of us to be able to do that. So the CBD and the THC, they will both greatly increase your level of your immune system. Basically, they'll strengthen it and enable your body to fight off whatever's going on inside of it. So it's not just a cancer thing, it's for every kind of condition. That's why the cannabinoids they help so many different conditions. Like, well, how does it help all these different things? And what I always say is that people don't suffer from these different diseases. They have a cannabinoid deficiency. And once you feed the body with cannabinoids, those deficiencies and those diseases, they magically disappear. Does that make sense?
Yes, it does. Thank you.